happy hump day. It is time, yes, that time of season again for the Jilly Box reveal. So my Jilly Box arrived last week while I was on vacation. So I got home and yeah, it's taken a while because just, catching up. Anyway, super excited about this one. It is really fun, exciting, and I'm going to show you everything that I got, plus the add-ons that I ordered this time around. Hi, I'm Linda from A Labor of Life. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you stick around to see everything that I got in the summer 2025 Jilly Box. Let's get to it, shall we? So, big surprise, I have already opened it up and tried everything on and checked it all out. So let's get to it. Our little book again, FYI, this time, just wanted to share. I will put chapters down if you wanted to skip through to each of the items. Look at this. This is my Indaba heart from last time. Anyway, really cool thing. The recipe this time, very excited about, is a pull apart garlic bread biscuits. So I can't wait to try that. So I'm going to open my book and try to get it right, everything that is listed. And ignore the flowing, blowing hair. It is really warm here today in Ottawa. I got the fan going. We haven't turned the AC on yet. Hopefully the light is good. Let's get to coupons first. So there's two coupons this time. Native, Jilly Summer 25 for coupon code, and Low and Hide. So just wait right here. Wait, back again. This is Low and Hide. This is the bag that was, I think, last summer's box. Love it, use it a lot. And this code gives 25% off site-wide. And then with Native, look at this. I've been a fan of Natives. Oh, wow, years. I bought these probably 14 years ago. They wear really well. They're rubbery. They're waterproof. Perfect for kids, perfect for adults. And this time we have a coupon, so maybe I'll get a pair of more neutral color this time. So, what's in the box? Which is really what you're here for. So, first off, from Grey House, which, if you recall, Grey House had passport holders last year. So, this time we have a Soho woven bag in saddle brown or black. And we got saddle brown. Never thought I would be so excited to be getting browns all the time, but I am. It has a strap, so you can wear it as across the body, or you can just carry it as a clutch. I hadn't opened it yet. It has a zipper inside. It's a really pretty look. Oh, it actually matches. You can see this. I'll try to take a picture, make it close up, but it matches the pattern on the box. Lovely. It is going for $109. As she said, very versatile. Both colors will go with everything, but I'm really happy I got this one. Next up from Indaba. We love this, don't we? We have. Now I have opened this, taken the wrapper off, so it was packed very well. So you know, look at this heirloom picture. Now when I saw the reveal, I thought this was going to be solid white, but it's more of a creamy shade with a little brown around the rim, or at least mine is. They might all actually be slightly different. It says, let's see, holding your favorite beverage. You can use it as a decor piece. It is good for hot and cold liquids, and it is dishwasher safe. And it retails for $32. Let's see. Little decor piece. It is perfect. Hopefully it doesn't move. Okay, next up from Fable, another fan favorite and a Jilly favorite. What do we have from Fable, you ask? These are sweet. Look at this. 4 little bowls. They match the dinnerware set in the Jilly Market. They actually match perfectly the mugs I received. Was it the spring Jilly Box last year? Anyway, they are the cream color. They're lovely. Perfect for charcuterie boards. Putting your jams and jellies, your nuts, your olives, the little bowls in a linen cream. And they retail for $49 Canadian. Dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe up to 450 degrees. And as she said, you can use them for dips, spices, nuts, olives, even as a jewelry holder. Actually, let's really get this tray rocking, shall we? It's kind of cute. There we go. 3 people. I don't know if this came. Anyway, distracted. That happens to me a lot. Okay, next up we have, I can say this wrong, Magano Jewelry and Accessories. And these are the Jade Jilly studs. And they're simply beautiful. I will put a picture up, close up. Probably can't see them from here, but they're this shade of aqua, teal, sage, bluey sage, with a little bit of peach. I'm really hoping I can wear them. I do have pierced ears, but I have a rip in my ear, so lots of times I cannot wear stud earrings in my lower holes anymore. So fingers crossed I will be able to, but these are simply stunning. Retailing for $80 Canadian. Hyperallergenic, 100% lead and nickel free. Basically good quality, won't turn your ears green. Nice to know. And local to Kelowna, which is also nice to know. Anyway, they are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What is next? Tanit. Oh yes, this is cool. Tanit. 2 products from Tanit. There we have them. SPF 30, moisturizing mineral sunscreen, and this is an after sun. This little Suncare Duo. This is a husband and wife out of Montreal. Sorry for the delay there. A little brain fart. Anyway, owned by a husband and wife who are manufacture all their products in Montreal. So this is moisturizing mineral sunscreen, SPF 30, and 1 after sun soothing aloe mist. Perfect for treating sunburns or just wanting to hydrate your skin. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells. It's got a minty smell. Oh, I love it. Soothing aloe vera mist. Anyway, smells great. Sunscreen, let's try it. I haven't opened it yet. We just came back from vacation. I could have used this while we were away. Oops. We used it this morning when we were golfing too. Oh, smells like sunscreen, but it actually, not greasy at all. Just a nice light scent. There you have it. It's a little sunscreen duo. We are ready. And then we have from Salt Spring Kitchen Company, a gourmet preserve collection. Retailing, oh, sorry, the Suncare Duo, $55. The Salt Spring Kitchen Gourmet Preserve Collection retails for $24, great price. And what you get this time, she chose the apple and fig spread and the peach and pepper spicy pepper spread, because they're her favorites. Obviously, sticking with the Kelowna theme with the peaches, which is really nice. They are gluten-free, and the peach and pepper spicy pepper is vegan as well. All handmade on Salt Spring Island. And FYI, if you've been around and a Jilly follower for a long time, I love that it was the Salt Springs has the anchor logo. And if you think back to Jilly before the heart, yeah, you have it. Anyway, really can't wait to try these. Very, very exciting. And then the sized item this time from One Wednesday, if you recall, we had beautiful robes before. This time is a chambray shirt, which I already opened and already tried on. It actually, funny thing, it's a little heavier and darker than I was expecting, but that's okay. And one thing I wasn't expecting is, I love this, the sleeves has 3 buttons. 3 buttons. I would say it fits true to size. I ordered a large and it fits well. I could actually use it, yes, as a cover up. I don't, with the large, I don't think I would be tucking it into my jeans, but I probably would wear it open with a tank top and underneath and leave it loose with the jeans and cowboy boots. So that was the sized item. Great basic closet build around capsule piece everybody should have, especially in Canada, if you know what I mean. And then this time, retail value of this one was $135 Canadian. So, custom details. What did she say? We had a few custom details to give it a little Jilly touch. So what have I missed? I'm not sure. Maybe the little buttons here. Obviously, it has for the Jilly Box label inside. I don't know. Single pocket. Got me all excited. I was expecting to have a little heart embroidered on the back or something. Oh well. Anyway, it is a nice basic chambray shirt. Okay, for the add-ons, we had several add-ons. First off was from the Medina Mercantile, the summer basket, retailing for $39 in the box, but valued at $80 Canadian. And yes, I got it. And Ken's going to say, what did you need another basket for? I needed a basket because it's recommended by Jilly. Why other reason would I need, right? Anyway, it's fun. Carry some flowers, take it to the market. I think I'll probably keep it in the car and actually use it as a shopping basket. That's what I'm going to do. They also had West Coast Seeds, the flower seed bundle. I didn't order that, but what was included were zinnias, baby blue eyes, sunflowers, peach zinnia, and the roses mixed aster. So probably very good. They're good for 3 years, up to 2028. They have the mini TP, I don't know how to sorry, small reversible blanket. I didn't order the blanket either. It is beautiful, so many did. And then the INE plus nutrition Super Greens travel pack. But what I did order was the famous Midi from Aspen Clothing, the dress, yes, in Harvest Cream. That's what I ordered, and she's beautiful. She really is. I would say it is a true to size. Some people had indicated they thought it would be a little oversized, but I ordered the large and it fits perfectly. I wouldn't mind it being actually a little looser and a little more flowy, but I do love it and I will get a lot of use from it. It is sheer in the back, and it is lined obviously at the rust area, and the body part is all lined. And this gal here will be wearing a bra underneath because we need to. Yes. Anyway, it's beautiful. There you have it. That is summer 2025 Jilly Box. Nothing to be disappointed about at all in this box, at least not for me. And that's coming from somebody who literally thinks she might not be able to wear the beautiful earrings, but I'm going to try. I will definitely use everything else. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions about how anything fits, what I'm using anything for, what I think about it, just put a comment down below and I'll be sure and answer it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking by. Give me a double tap, maybe a follow if you want to keep seeing what I order. This is Linda from A Labor of Life, and I will see you on the net.